Hello. Glory, glory, glory to the Most High God. I've been led to bring a message, just more of a warning message. This is for the worldly ones. And oh you worldly ones, do you not hear the locust? Do you not see what they've done? And he's asked me to read out Joel chapter 1 verse 1 to 5. The word of the Lord that came to Joel, son of Hill. Hear this, you elders. Listen, all you who live in the land. Has anything like this ever happened in your days, or in the days of your forefathers? Tell it to your children, and let your children tell it to their children, and their children to the next generation. What the locust swarm has left, the great locusts have eaten. What the great locusts have left, and the young locusts have eaten, and what the young locusts have left, other locusts have eaten. Wake up, you drunkards, and weep. Wail, all you drinkers of wine. Wail because of the new wine, for it has been snatched from your lips. It is time for the world to realise and see that what the locusts have done. And saying that the messengers have been sending out his messages, but nobody's listening. It's time to take the scales off your eyes and open your ears and listen. Time is running out. The locusts have been eating. God bless you all. Thank you.